Hi, my Crunchified Clean friend. This is how I make my Thieves Concentrated Cleaner a disinfectant. On its own, Thieves Cleaner is not a disinfectant, so I add a disinfectant to my bottle. When it comes to isopropyl alcohol, you want to get the 70%, and I do a ratio of half alcohol, half water, and about 2 caps of Thieves Concentrated Cleaner because I really love the scent. I put the alcohol first and then the water and then the Thieves Cleaner. You want to put the Thieves Cleaner in last because if you put it in first, as you're filling it up with water, it'll bubble up and then you're going to lose your liquid gold and you don't want to do that. So put the Thieves Concentrated Cleaner in last. You can add essential oils to it if you want to play around with the scent. Peppermint is a really nice one to add to Thieves Cleaner. Citrus fresh, orange, eucalyptus, tea tree, whatever suits your nose. You don't have to because the Thieves Concentrated Cleaner already has a nice scent, so it's all up to you. This is a 17-ounce bottle, so I did 8 ounces of water, 8 ounces of isopropyl alcohol. I am a distributor. I'll put my link down below. Let me know if you want to grab the bottle of Thieves Cleaner. It is a concentrate, so a little bit goes a long way. And the cost ends up being under 40 cents a bottle when you use the concentrate. It is amazing. You can get so much cleaning use out of the Thieves Cleaner. And then with the alcohol, it's a disinfectant and it's a powerhouse cleaner that I love to use at home and for my cleaning business. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. If you can like and subscribe, make sure your YouTube notifications are on for when I post more eco-oily cleaning tips and tricks. I would really love it. YouTube, TikTok, Clapper, Instagram, my Facebook, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.